Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the Bogwalk Gorge, and the gorge is in St Catherine, Jamaica. We just crossed over the flat bridge and we're heading towards the Bogwalk area. There's a small town, Bogwalk, on the outskirts of the gorge. And then from Bogwalk you'd go on to Linstead, Ewaton, and then go over Mount Russell. And then eventually you'd end up in Ocheres. So before the highway was built, this was the main route for persons trying to get to the north coast from Kingston or Spanish Town. Okay, on the left, where you see that concrete wall, that's there are railway tracks up there. They used to have a rail service in Jamaica. Okay, this is a very nice view of the river. Okay, we're driving out of the gorge now. This is where it ends. But there are railway tracks run all the way from Spanish Town to Bogwalk. They actually go as far as Linstead, Ewaton. But that rail service doesn't operate anymore. However, I heard that they're trying to, well, there is a pilot program going on now to try to get some trains up and running to transport school students. And I think Linstead is one of the areas that, the Linstead to Spanish Town route. I think I heard Linstead. So maybe those tracks are being used again. Okay, so we're now entering the Bogwalk, the actual town of Bogwalk. We just exited the gorge, and on the right there is where you would, that's the entrance or exit to Sligoville. So if you were taking the alternate route over Sligoville, then that is where you would come out. So if Flatbridge is blocked, you would have to drive all the way out of the gorge to go back to that location to access the Sligoville route. And if it's blocked, you'd have to leave from the gorge and go all the way back down to Linstead to get back on the highway. So if we turn left here, we would go into the town of Bogwalk. But we're going to stay on this road and bypass it. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.